Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Unlock Your Learning. In this video we are going to solve worksheet 40 of subject English and it's for class 6. Here you need to write your name, here your class teacher's name, and today's date is 6th December 2021 and we will study about the poem vocation in today's worksheet. So we have some questions here. Question 1 is read the poem and complete the given lines for the poem. Okay, so first line is what? I wish I were a hawker. So the line after this in the poem was spending my day on the road. Over here it should be road, it is rod, so R-O-A-D, R-O-A-D, okay, crying bangles, crystal bangles. So basically the hawker would be spending his day and he will shout for people to come and buy his crystal bangles. Okay, B1 is I wish I were a gardener. So I wish I were a gardener digging away at the garden with nobody to stop me from digging. So he is saying that if I was a gardener, if I were a gardener, I could dig the garden and nobody was going to stop me. C is I wish I were a watchman. So I wish I were a watchman walking the street all night, chasing the shadows with my lantern. So if I were a watchman, I would walk the streets all the night and chasing my shadows with the lantern. You already know what is a lantern. Now we have question 2. This is try to complete the following sentences. So A1, if I were a soldier, I would never stop fighting in the war until God calls me to heaven. So over here it is wrong, until God calls me to heaven. Okay, so I would never stop fighting in the war until God calls me to heaven. This is the line for if I were a soldier. And B is if I were a chef. So I cook delicious food for everyone, I serve different dishes to everyone. So that is what a chef does. He cooks many dishes and serves dishes to everyone. C1 is if I were an artist. So if I were an artist, I would bathe myself in color and allow my art to consume me, and I should be instrument in life's portrait of us. Okay, so this is what the artist wanted to be doing, okay, when he became an artist. Now question 3, read the stanza from the poem and list out verbs in the space provided. So we have to read this whole stanza which is given to us over here, this part, and we have to see that we have to take the words with the verbs in it. Okay, so the action words over here. So let us start reading. When at 4 in the afternoon I come back from the school, I can see through the gate of that house the gardener digging the ground. He does what he likes with his spade. He soils his cloth with dust. Nobody takes him to task. If he gets baked in the sun or gets wet, I wish I were a gardener digging away at the garden with nobody to stop me from digging. Now here it is telling that when at 4 in the afternoon, that is 4 p.m. in the afternoon, when the boy comes back from his school, he can see through the gate of that house, of his neighbor's house maybe, or any other house, through which the gate of it, through which he can see a gardener who is digging the ground of the ground of the garden, and he does what he likes to do with his spade. You already know what is a spade. Like it is an object which is used to dig in, okay, dig the soil, and it is saying he does what he likes to do with his spade. So like he can dig the ground or he can soil in, okay, and his clothes were dusty, but nobody cared of him because it was his work to do that. Okay, and even if he gets baked in the sun, that is like burnt in the sun, or gets wet, then also nobody would stop him from digging. Okay, now the verbs which we have here are, first one is come, second is see, then we have dig, then like, take, bake, wet, get and stop. These are the verbs. And friends, this is all for today. If you are new to my YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon down below so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video. Also leave a like on this video. Till then, stay home, stay safe, wear a mask, maintain social distancing and take good care of yourself. Bye bye.